And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to enhance the sky in Adobe Lightroom. So we've got a regular image here. Let us go to edit. And we will adjust the exposure a little bit. And we'll go down with the contrast slightly, so you can see it affects the entire image. And we want to focus on the water first. Let me go to color. And I add some vibrance and saturation. It also adjusts the sky, but we will fix that later. It already changed the feel with the temperature, but we will keep that. This is fine for the water, and now we'll use the linear gradient for the sky. Make sure that you create a new one, just left click and drag it downwards. So the center position is where the adjustments will be at maximum. And then it kind of feathers to the top and the bottom where the other two lines are. You can rotate that at the center line and obviously reposition that. Now I want to go down with the exposure, and you can see it only affects the sky. So where the linear gradient ends, the adjustments end as well. I'll increase the contrast. And I want to go down with the temperature. And you can see I've added some saturation to it. In most cases you want to add a little bit of sharpness and clarity as well. In this case we don't have much clouds or details in general in the sky. But let us compare to the original, and you can see how we could edit this photo and especially enhance the sky with the linear gradient. I hope that this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.